Hello friend, and thank you for joining me.
Dear friends, let us continuously love one another because love comes from God. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. Dear friend, let us continue this journey of love together and forever.
Dorcas is over here recording.
I'm recording the fake fire drill. And everyone is outside. Oh God. Exercise. Exercise. I'm covering the camera. It's very cold today.
I'm sorry? I'm at the intersection of Michigan and Walker.
Chick chick Chicago. Chicago, chick chick Chicago. Chicago, chick chick Chicago. From the depths of the sea. This is so historical. We walked from Trump Center to the Navy Pier because the Google Maps kept on frustrating us. So here we are at the Navy Pier. Finally, we are at the Navy Pier, doing what we love to do. We are at the Navy Pier, doing what we like to do. But we're not gonna jump into the water tonight. We're not gonna jump into the water tonight. But we are at the Navy Pier, doing what we love to do. We are at the Navy Pier, going around the world, you know. This is what we love to do. So my friend actually left me. She was like, oh, this is so embarrassing. I better move away. She left me. She left me. He wants to swim with the fish. You're actually in the world.
Oh, they're like bears.
These birds are being manipulated. Like, see the painting, they made the painting look like their real environment. This is not fair. This is psychologically
Are you making a video?
Shooting the birds. I'm gonna fight for a right. You get that? You got my word on that?
Anna, he's not gonna show you.
Show me your heart, a bleeding out pigeon. Show me your heart. Show me your heart. Show me your heart. Show me. Hello, friend. Today I cooked, but I was too lazy to start taking videos as I was cooking. So I just boiled chicken, normal boiling. I have some stew in the fridge, but I'll just put it in I'm just gonna boil, refrigerate it like this. And I also cooked jollof rice. And this jollof rice, I successfully forgot to add pepper, but I added coconut milk, sausage. It's very tasty, but I'm like, pepper, I'm very sure when I want to microwave it, I'm still going to add pepper. Then I'm also cooking beans. That's the last thing I'm cooking tonight. So my beans is now also done. So for these beans, I used black beans. I used like 7 different kinds of beans. The beans with 7 lives. Then I added mushrooms, I added green peas, then the normal things, onions, pepper, palm oil, and a little of the chicken broth and plantain. So I don't know the kind of nutrients I want to get by adding all those things together. This is me, my SC self in my hood. Me, my SC self in my hood. SC self in my hood.
Ralia, Raising Holy Spirit-Filled Academic Lions in Africa. A city set on a hill. A light that never goes out. Ralia is here! Friend and dearly beloved, thank you and do have a blessed day.